In this tutorial in Microsoft Word, we're going to show you two things that you can do with images that you pull into your Word documents. We'll show you how to crop the images, and we'll show you how to quickly stylize them. The page you're looking at has two images we brought into this particular document. The only thing we've done in this case is we have resized them. Every single part of the picture is still there, and we haven't changed how it looks except for size. Again, if you want to resize an image in Word, you simply click on it anytime you want. You will have a handle on each corner and in the middle of each side, and you can drag it, and I recommend dragging the corner handles because they're the ones that keep the proportions the same. And you can resize the image, and once it's resized, you can move it, do whatever you want. Let me show you how to do a little bit more with an image. I'm going to insert a new image before this first full sentence, so I'll move my cursor over here. I'll click on the Insert tab above the ribbon, and I will choose Pictures. Now I'll check my Train To. I can double click on it or click on it once and click Insert. And now it inserted the picture, and as we're used to in Word, it brings it in to the maximum size that the margins of the page will allow. So I'm going to resize this to make it smaller. I'll drag it again a little bit here. And now it's where I want it, and I've decided I like the picture but not all of it. I want to only show part of the picture, so I'm going to crop it. There are two ways to get to crop. When you're clicked on the picture, the Format tab will show up here, and you can click on the crop icon here. Or another way to get to it is you can right click on the picture, and you will see this little thing that looks almost like a double X. It's my crop image. I'll click on there, and when I do that, I have a gray shade over the entire picture and then these handles. When I start to drag a handle from the right, it will show the area that will not be visible in my final document. I'm going to move this all the way to this post here and let go. It shows my original image as scaled as I've done it, and it also shows the area I will see finally. I just click anywhere else, and now my picture has been in effect cropped. I don't have to go to an external graphic design program to change the features in the image, which is really nice. I can do it all in Word. And it doesn't mess with the original image. I could go back and uncrop it and change it again. I haven't changed it. I've just changed what Word is going to interact with. And in this case, what I'd like to do is I'd like to go ahead and wrap the text around it. So I will do my square. And now it wraps around a little bit there, which is a little bit nicer. But I've cropped the image on the side. Now, if I want to change only another part, let's do it with this image here. I say I've got too much C here. I want a little bit less. So I'll right-click. I'll choose my crop. And this time I'll drag up from the bottom. A little less C. Maybe I want to have a little less sky here too. So I'll drag a little bit down from the top. And maybe I don't want quite that much green on the left side. Okay, you can adjust it any way you want. And then I'll click out of it, and there it is. Again, I've just changed the part of the image that Word will show in the final product. Crop is a really great tool. Let me show you one other thing you can do with an image. I'm going to click on Image here. It brings up my Format tab. And then you notice I have Picture Styles. This is the very quick and easy way to stylize your pictures in Word. I'm going to click on the down arrow. And when I do, you notice that I have actually 28 pre-designed styles. Now you can do a lot more going through the menus than you see here. These are just some examples. This one puts a black and white frame around the picture. This one does a shadow and curves two of the corners. This one over here gives me an oval. This one gives me kind of a laid-back version, and all kinds of different options that you can pick to stylize your pictures in Microsoft Word just with the click of a button. So if you want to add a little bit of flair, it's one of the ways in which you can do that. I'll just click on this one for this picture. And we'll show you other options later on about how you can go deeper into the code. But if I want this one to be stylized, again, all I do is click. I can right-click here and click on Style. It'll pop up the same list of options I can scroll through. And let's just put a, let's see, let's find something a little simpler. That's my little thin black border. Put that around there. And this also has a reflection at the bottom. So those are some of the things that you can do. And once you've stylized an image, remember you can also go back and resize the image. You can make it larger, you can make it smaller, whatever you like to do in Microsoft Word. There's more to learn about these kinds of features. We'll show that to you in another lesson.
In this tutorial, you've seen how you can take an image once it's in Microsoft Word and enhance it. And beyond that, how you can crop it so that it works best in the flow of your document. I'm Jim from the Sharper Turtle. If you find this exercise useful, we'd like to ask you to like us and comment, and if you would please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be in touch with all the lessons we have yet to prepare to help you become a master of Microsoft Word. Thank you so much.